Hello, everyone. Welcome to this gentle evening reset. If your day has felt busy or heavy, let's take a few moments together to slow down, soften, and unwind. Sit comfortably on your mat or cushion. Take a deep breath in. Inhale your arms up over your head. And exhale, hands to heart. Let your shoulders soften and your jaw relax. 2 more times. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Now gently make your way to a tabletop position. Inhale to open your heart, arch your back, and create space. Exhale, round your back gently, releasing any tension you no longer need to carry. Continue to move slowly and let your breath guide you. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. Sink back into a child's pose. Give yourself permission to pause. Rest here for a moment. Soften your body and let yourself be supported. Continue to breathe. Easy breaths. Slowly walk your hands forward and melt into a puppy pose. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. Soften through your shoulders and your heart space. Allow yourself to release the day. Wonderful. Return to tabletop. Tuck your toes. Lift your hips up to a mini down dog. Slowly walk your hands towards your feet. Arrive in a soft forward fold, keeping your knees bent. Let your head feel heavy, resting against your thighs. Continue to breathe here. Let anything that feels heavy begin to melt away. Slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Reach your arms overhead. Inhale. Exhale, hands to heart. And one more. Reach arms overhead. Inhale. And exhale, arms come forward, forward fold. Bend your knees. Slowly come down into a comfortable seated position. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Notice what may have softened, slowed down, or released. Thank you for taking these few moments to pause and reset. Carry this calm with you into the rest of your evening. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more support on your wellness journey. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.